Hazur, I have a question from chapter 53, verses 4 to 5.
These are two verses, verse number 4 and 5 from Surah An-Najm, which is chapter 53 of the Holy Quran. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وَمَا يَنْتِقُ عَنِ الْهَوَىٰ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا وَحْيٌ يُوحَىٰ. Translation is, nor does he speak out of his own desire. It is nothing but pure revelation that has been revealed by God.
In relation to this verse, can we say the sayings of the Holy Prophet ﷺ to be Wahi?
See, everything he says is based on Wahi. And Wahi are both two sorts. One, the revealed in the Quran, and every hadith which is correct is always founded on some verse of the Quran. Secondly, there is Wahi Khafi, that his understanding of the Quran is because of this Wahi Khafi, this Wahi which is not in words but it grows in the heart. And under the direction of Allah, the heart always gives the right verdict. So in this way, he never speaks from his own. Whatever he says is based on the Quran and on this Wahi Khafi.